Cargo ship sank in Taiwan Strait, 2 missing. Cargo ship Zhangzhou 689 issued distress signal at around 0330 Beijing time Jan 21 in Zhangzhou waters, Fujian province, Taiwan Strait, reporting sinking and requesting immediate assistance. SAR was launched by Fujian Maritime Safety Administration, with deployment of SAR ships, helicopters and nearby cargo and fishing vessels. One report said that 12 crew were on board, 11 were rescued, 1 went missing, but according to other reports, there were 13 people on board, 2 went missing. The ship understood to sink. Cargo ship Zhangzhou 689, MMSI 413,707,010, length 98 meters, flag